Internet connectivity is what separates the LG Smart TV from ordinary TV. So we encourage you to take advantage of this exciting feature that enables you to stream, download, and surf. If you didn't set up your network connection during the initial setup process, which we cover in a different video, no problem. You can take care of that now. Press the Home button, then click on the settings icon up here in the corner. Then click on Network, then choose between wired or Wi-Fi connection. If wired, you'll need to connect your Ethernet cable to this port on the back of your LG Smart TV, and the connection will be recognized almost immediately. If a password is required, you'll be asked to enter it. If you prefer Wi-Fi, click here, then select the network you wish to join if multiple options are provided. You might be asked to enter the password for this network, in which case this keyboard will automatically appear. Using the remote, carefully enter the password one character at a time, then click Connect. If you've entered the information incorrectly, you'll be asked to try again. Otherwise, in a few seconds, you'll see this check mark next to the network you've chosen to indicate successful setup. Now that you're online, get ready to see what an LG Smart TV can do.